What's up, Copperhead family? Finally back at the water. Roodekoppes Dam, wild waters, South Africa. Crocodiles apparently close to the dam wall. That's far side there. At Waterface they spotted the hippos. So yeah, sun is starting to set. Got 3 rods in. 2 meter to 3 meter water, and then I've got one on 6 meter water. Yeah, the fish has been coming out on 2 to 3 meter water. So yeah, just started. Starting to kind of relax a little bit, and then tomorrow we'll sort the other rod. The bank is packed, a lot of people fishing, so hopefully it's not too much line pressure that side as people. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. What's up, guys? It's now 1 o'clock. Just taking a walk. All the lines is quiet, nothing happening. Walking with the wife and the dog. Milo, 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 kid, Milo. Yeah, just having fun, just chilling. That monster will come tonight. I'll keep you up to date.
There it is, guys. I do.
That's not a baba.
No, my thread.
Sure, says.
There it is. Papa.
Oh, lekker kop, right? First kop on the bank.
After
No more catfish.
after three catfishes. And there's the pro.
Ek weet nie almal se sy my oor. Almal. Okay, hallo.
Okay.
Dis al ons